The new state government has upped the ante on its push to protect the Great Barrier Reef. Labor MPs are calling on the federal government to urgently amend its plan for the reef as UNESCO prepares to review the reef's World Heritage status.
The new state government has made a last-ditch attempt to defend the reef before it's too late.
All we can do is get the right policies in place to protect the Great Barrier Reef.
That means urgent amendments to the Reef 2050 long-term sustainability plan, drafted by the Abbott government and former Newman government.
Queensland Labor gave a commitment that there would be no dumping of dredge spoil in the World Heritage area, and the Commonwealth Government should get on board with that.
A new task force to help cut nitrogen runoff by 80% and sediment runoff by 50% by 2025 is also a necessity. UNESCO will decide in June whether enough has been done to prevent the reef from being listed as in danger.
Cairns is a tourism town, and the reef and the rainforest are at the heart of what we have to offer the world. We must protect them. There can be no compromise on this.
Environmentalists have labelled the plan a blueprint for sustainable development, not reef conservation. But the Shadow Environment Minister has defended the document.
The last thing we want in Queensland is more uncertainty and people talking down the protection of the Great Barrier Reef. It's opportunistic at best and it's actually irresponsible at worst.
Mackenzie Lyons, 7 News.